Retail is changing very fast. Stores have to offer thousands of products and fight for space on a global market. Pricing these products is tricky. A difference of just 1% can make or break the sale. In 2020, the demand for pricing software increased a record of 75%. Unfortunately, available tools are expensive and difficult to use. Retailers need a pricing solution that is smart, automated, and affordable.
Optimus Price is a software as a service that uses artificial intelligence to make sure that every product in your store always has the best price. We want every store in the world to set their prices using Optimus Price. We bring artificial intelligence to retail pricing for everybody.
In the last month, our monthly recurring revenue has grown 18 times. We have 30 clients in 4 countries, from established multinationals to leading e-commerces. Our customers increase their profits without effort, with a tool that is fast to integrate and easy to use.
Optimus Price is a machine learning solution that sets prices for you. Our algorithms detect the impact of factors such as elasticity, demand, seasonality, competitors, stock, and more. Optimus Price is the difference between just having the data and having the answer.
In the next months, we will increase our sales with an ambitious marketing plan, open new channels such as SAP and Shopify, and improve our product with new machine learning models.
Optimus Price scales from growing companies to multinationals. Customers are very happy, with a profit increase of 10%. The tool pays for itself, and the project has attracted a fair share of media attention. Optimus Price was founded by researchers of the Barcelona Supercomputing Center and serial entrepreneurs. The company is backed by Wayra, Telefónica, and the top 2 business angels in Spain. The team has 3 PhDs, 2 MBAs, and 5 patents.
If you believe that retail is changing and that e-commerce is the future, if you believe that very soon prices are going to be dynamic and automated,
if you share our vision, come and join us. Let's bring AI to retail pricing for everybody.